Hi students, I am Aruna, lecturer in Sir C.R. College for Women. Today we are going to discuss about regular expressions. What is a regular expression? A regular expression defines a search pattern for strings. The search pattern can be anything from a simple text or a fixed string or complex expression containing special characters describing the pattern. That means a regular expression is an object that describes a pattern of characters. It will matches or searches and replaces the functions on a text. Regular expression can be used to search, edit, manipulate text. This process is called regular expression is applied to the text or string. How we apply these regular expressions on a text? From left to right. Once a source character has been used in a match, it can't be reused. The syntax for this regular expression is, we use regular expression constructor as follows. Here we can define with a new keyword. In a previous objects we learn about new keyword which allocates memory for objects, where pattern equals to new regular expression of pattern comma attributes, or else simply where pattern equals to pattern slash attributes. Here in this regular expression we are using patterns and attribute. What is a pattern? The pattern is a string or a text that is to be searched in a regular expression. For searching those patterns, we use some attributes like G, I and M. If I want to search the entire pattern of a string, not to stop with the first match is found, then we use G attributes. For case insensitive, we use I. For multiple line matches, we use M. I can take the text in multiple lines. For matching the given pattern in the each and every line, we use M. So pattern is a string that specifies the pattern of the regular expression or any another regular expression. Attributes, an optional attribute string containing any one of the modifiers like G, I, M. G attribute specifies global and I attribute specify case insensitive and multiple line matches respectively. Here in this I am taking an example, regular expression equals to new regular expression of fish, fowl, or else simply regular expression equals to fish or fowl. Here the pattern is either fish or fowl. This pattern is compared with the given text or string that is with a single line or multiple lines. The program for this tag that is used for representing JavaScript is script with type attribute. How we declare variables with the var keyword. Here I am using str and re result as variables, where str equals to JavaScript is an interesting scripting language. Here my text is this. Now I will search the pattern in this particular text. For that, the next statement is where re equals to new regular expression of script comma G. What G does? G searches globally. Which pattern is searched in globally? Script. Where it searches the script in the above given string. JavaScript is an interesting scripting language. For executing this, we use some regular expression functions. Here I am using exec method, execute method. For that, var result equals to re dot exec of string. Then I am printing the result. If the string is found, it will return the string, or else it will return null value. For printing, we are using document dot write statement, print result. Again, I am taking another expression, re equals to new regular expression, pushing comma g. Is there any pattern pushing in the above text? No. Now the resulted value will result null. If there exists any pattern pushing in the above string, then it will return that particular string, or else it will return null value. Var result equals to, for executing this, I am using execute method. Print the statement document dot write. Let's run this program. Let's run this program. If you want, you can place the title, or else omit it. I'm using script tag with the type attribute text or JavaScript. Next, I am using a string. You can take any text. I am using JavaScript is an interesting language. New here I am using pattern as script and attribute as G. And the next statement is where result equals to re dot exe method of string. What this statement do? It will execute the given expression with the pattern matching. If the result found, it will return the text matching text, or else it will return null. For printing a statement, we use document dot write and next statement is new Now save this program. This is the output of the program. Here in the first expression I have taken script. So it is there in the given text, that's why it written script. In the second one, pushing pattern is not matched with the given string. Then it will return null. Okay. Next, about functions that are used in regular expressions. Here we use class regular expression functions and class string functions. Class regular expression functions like execute and test, and class string functions like match, replace, search and split. These regular expressions are manipulated using string class or regular expression class functions. What these execute method do? These execute methods searches the string for the text that matches regular expression. If it finds a match, it returns an array of results. Otherwise, it returns null. In the previous example, we see this execute method. Same example was string. Now this regular expression function exe will find the match in a given text. If it finds, it returns the array of results, that is script. If not, it will return null. And the next function is test of string. This test method tests for a match in a string. This returns true if it finds a match, or else it will return false. Syntax is object regular expression object dot test of string. Next, coming to string class functions. Here we are using match, replace, search and split. Match pattern. It searches for a matching pattern. It returns an array holding the results, or else null if no match is found. For that we have to take a method regular expression object dot match of string. For example, RE is our object name dot match of particular string like ABC, or else script or pushing. Whatever the string we want, we can search with a match method. Next one is replace. Replace of pattern 1 comma pattern 2. It also searches for the pattern and it replaces if the search is successful. What it will replace? The pattern 1 with pattern 2. If you observe here, I have taken str as visit Microsoft. In the next statement, string dot replace Microsoft with search URL college for women. If I found a matching pattern Microsoft, then it will, if it is successful, the pattern is found successful, then it will replace Microsoft with search URL college for women. Next one is search. It searches for the pattern in the string. If the match is successful, it will return the index offset of the start of the match is written. Here in this example, visit search your college for women. For that I am using string dot search of college I. If this pattern is matched, in the text, then it will return the index of that particular character, start matching character, or else it will return -1. And the next one is split pattern. It splits the string into paths based upon the pattern or regular expression which is applied as patterns. This is about regular expression functions and string functions. Next, coming to regular expression grammar. In this we are using modifiers, brackets, meta characters, quantifiers. We have already seen these modifiers in attributes like I, G and M. These are called modifiers in regular expression grammar. These modifiers are used to perform case sensitive and global searches. For that we use either a modifier I, G or M. I is used to perform case insensitive matching. It finds the pattern matching with case insensitive. Next one is G. As we know that G performs global match, finds all the matches rather than stopping after the first match found. It will search the entire string. It won't stop after the first match is found. That's why it is called as global search. For providing multiple line matchings, we use M. In a previous example, I have taken a single statement only. If I place more than 2, 3, 4, then we can use multiple matching. That pattern is matched in multiple lines. For that, we have to provide our modifier as M. Next one is brackets. Brackets have a special meaning when used in the content of regular expressions. They are used to find the range of characters. These brackets are used for finding the range of characters. In the expression, if I take as brackets ABC, then it will find any characters that are placed in between the brackets. That is, it will find the characters that are placed in these brackets. Here I have taken ABC. Next, other than that characters, we want to search the characters that are not placed between the brackets. Then we use brackets cap ABC. Now it will find any characters not between the brackets. Similarly for digits 0 to 9, find any character between the brackets. It means it finds any digits. Apart from digits, I want to search. Then the next expression is brackets. In between the brackets cap 0 to 9. Any non-digit. It will search for any non-digits. X by y. X or y. Find any one of alternatives specified. Either x or y. This is about brackets. Next one is meta character. What is a meta character? A meta character is simply an alphabetical character preceded by a backslash that acts to give the combination a special meaning. Here I have placed some meta characters like dot, small w, small d, small s, b, capital B, O for null character. If I place a meta character as dot, then it will find a single character except a new line or line terminator. If I want to search for word characters, then I use slash small w. For non-word characters, we use the meta character as slash capital W. If I want to find a digit, then go for D. For example, you search a large sum of money using this slash D meta character. For that, if I specified bracket slash D plus some values. Here the slash D will search for any string of numerical characters. Similarly, for non-digit characters we use slash D. For finding white space characters we use slashes, and non-white space characters we use slash capital S. For finding the match with the beginning and end of a word, then we use slash small b. Match not at beginning and ending of words, then we use capital B slash capital B. For representing a null, we use slash 0. These are the meta characters. Next one is quantifiers. Modifiers such as bracket specifies the meaning or else range of characters, whereas meta characters uses a combination of special meaning for it. This quantifier specifies the frequency or position of a bracketed character. Sequences and single characters can be denoted by special characters. Each special character has a specific notations. For example, like plus, asterisk, question mark and dollar sign. If you observe in this, I have taken a quantifier n plus, n asterisk, n question mark, n dollar. These are the flags. All follows a character sequence. If I want to find a string that contain at least one n's, then we use n plus quantifier. It may or more than. Then we use matching string contains a 0 or more occurrences of 1. Then we use n asterisk. If I want it is at least one occurrence or 0 occurrence, then we place the quantifier as n question mark. Matches any string that contains 0 or 1 occurrences of n. N of x. This contains a sequence of x n's. Matches any string that contains a sequence of x n's. With x and y, then we use a quantifier n brackets x comma y. This matches any string that contains a sequence of x to y n's. Similarly, n of x match any string that contains a sequence of at least x n's. If you want to find the string at the end of it, then we use n dollar. Quantifier that is going to use here is n dollar. Any string with n at the beginning of it, then we use cap of n. This is about quantifiers. Hope you all understand. Thank you.